You know the stir fry we're talking about, Pat Kapao? Yeah. Can you take like the Pat Kapao? This, you can find this here. And over here also Kapao. But this is the Thai basil leaf. So we need 4 or 5 branches of the holy basil and 4 or 5 branches of the Thai basil here. See here, blue flower. Can you pick more? How many? We have the one in the middle of the garden too, but not many people come to this corner, so I want to pick it up. You see that one, Chin? 1, 2. Here, right here. Yeah. Can you peel that?
Okay. Here.
Got it? I love the flowers, so beautiful. The pink, the white one is very nice. I'm gonna teach you to make green curry paste today from scratch. So we need the leaf for the.
Everything in, right?
Yeah, except the celery. You wanna keep celery for later. You make it over. Just so thick. Yeah.
Very good. This is good. Thick is good.
If you like it thick, you know. If you some people don't like very strong, you can reduce the curry powder.
Yeah.
You know. And yeah, you wanna add up even a bit more, and you should taste it. Then you know what you like your own recipe.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, okay. You like it runny like that? Like runny like that? I'm happy like that. But if you want more, scoop the oil on top. Yes. No oil. Put on top of the rice. When you open it, put the rice. We're making chicken coconut milk soup, tom yum, and now we're preparing paste for khao son. Yeah, we have a private class today. Special class, special menu. Okay, seasoning. We start with sugar, 1 teaspoon, and fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Okay, tamarind sauce, again, sugar 1 teaspoon, and fish sauce 1 tablespoon, please. See that? Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
冇我哋嘅咖喱，
Cut in half.
係啦，好，把切啲食，喂，攞粗 cut 啊，係唔啱，你搞呢個冇冇
Yeah.